Hello everyone, this is Raj Kishan from Bangalore, India, and this is CS50's web programming using Python and JavaScript project 0. In this particular project, they have asked us to create a search website that is very similar to Google. So let's go ahead and see it. So as you guys can see, this is a basic Google website. So let's go to the image search website. This will redirect me to the Google images. I'll go back to the main Google search website, and this particular website is Google's advanced search website. So let's go ahead and test it. So as you can see, it has redirected me to the particular cricket Google search engine. So let's go back and see if the images are working. So it has directly redirected me to the Google images search website. So now let's go ahead and let's go to Google search and let's try advanced search. So I want particularly, I'm looking out for black coffee. So let's try black coffee and let's see sugar, about a particular word, sugar. So I'll go ahead and search it. So as you guys can see, it has directly redirected me to that particular website which has the name black coffee and sugar both. So let's go to if I am feeling lucky. So let's see, I am feeling lucky. So as you can see right now, it has redirected me directly to YouTube, which is surpassing the search engines. So it has directly redirected me to that particular YouTube website. Thank you guys.